Technical debt isn't code, it's shortcuts quietly charging interest on every future update. It starts small, quick fixes, skipped testing, we'll clean it later, but later never comes. Real example, Southwest Airlines' meltdown in 2022 showed how outdated crew systems collapsed under pressure, costing over $700 million. Another one, Twitter's early growth created tangled, fragile code that led to frequent outages, remembered as the fail whale. There are more examples like these, but the pattern is the same. Short-term speed quietly creates long-term problems. And suddenly, teams spend more time fixing than building anything new. Don't let hidden debt kill your next big idea. Build it right with App Genies, and if this made you rethink your build, like, share, and drop a comment saying, "Technical debt."